All right, we are going today to talk about cover letters today, and we are going to do this in the My Blueprint generator. So first, hit the three bars on the left side here, and we're going to go down to the work column, and we're going to go to cover letters. I like the cover letter builder here better than the resume builder, so I've used it quite frequently with classes. Um, I have several options for cover letters because I've started many, but what you are probably going to do, this is the first time you'll pick the add cover letter button option here. So I'm just going to pick this one. And right here is one that I just started. So I'm going to get you to hit the edit button on your information. So this is where you're going to find you're going to put your name in, your email address, phone number, mailing address, city, province, postal code, and then hit save. Then we're going to go down to the employer information, and you can choose three options. You can apply for your own job, so your own employer. You can think of or find a place in Esterhazy that you would like to apply to and write a letter for that business. Or you can go on to sassjobs.ca and look up a business or a company or a job that you would like to do a mock one for to potential like a job ad that exists on sassjobs.ca or any job finder and apply for that job. So what you're going to do here is you're going to hit edit and you're going to put in all of the information for that particular job. So the recipient, like that's the employer's first name, last name, the company. You might not have an email if you don't know where the company, like if they don't have an email address on record. But usually if you're picking the job ad one, they will have an email address, so then you can plug it in. You might have to look up the company's email address and postal code and stuff like that when you're going online. So just make sure that you Google it if you don't know the street or mailing address, or if it might not be even on the job ad that you're looking up. Next, we're going to go into paragraph 1. So it's really important that this actually prompts you with a question. This paragraph should focus on why you want to work for the company or answer the questions, why this role appeals to me. I have a bunch of spelling mistakes in there. It's probably doing it fast. So you need to answer those questions. I would also even start with something along the lines of, hi, my name is Janine Lassan. I am applying for such and such position. Because oftentimes companies or businesses post for 3 or 4 jobs at the same time, and they would like to know which job you are actually planning on applying to. So saying that something along the lines like, I am applying for the customer service job or the grocery clerk job or this like store manager job, if that's your aspiration, if that's the job posting. So make sure that you tell them what the job is. And for the most part, I also like to say for paragraph 1 is that you want to really do your research a little bit more. Why do you want to work for the company? What is it about the role or the company that appeals to you? So this means, or maybe that you'll have to do a little research. If you're applying to a company, let's say in Esterhazy, and it's Noble, and you know that they employ a lot of local people, you've gone on their website, you've picked out a few keywords from their website, and you've used them in your cover letter, they're going to notice that. Many companies nowadays, they also will have a program that will scan your documents for keywords like that. So just keep in mind, try and have at least 4 or 5 sentences per paragraph. For paragraph 1 and 2 for sure. Paragraph 2, this is the question, why should I hire you? Why are you the best person? What skills do you have that apply to this job? What knowledge or experience do you have that's good for this position? Apply what you have learned in school or in other jobs to the job that you are currently looking at getting. So what makes you the best person for this position? So again, about 4 or 5 sentences should be included in paragraph 2. Paragraph 3 is more of a thanking the person who is reading your letter that they're considering you, thanking them for their time. You also maybe should put on in this section in paragraph 3 where you can be reached. What's the best time to reach you? If you are a student and calling you is the best time, then you might want to say, I am a student and the best times to get a hold of me would be after 3:30 on Monday through Friday and anytime on the weekends, and then leaving your phone number again. If it's more you prefer email, just say I am checking my emails all the time. That is the best way to get a hold of me, and this is my email address again. The last thing is the closing, and all you need to do for the closing, I know it has a different, like include your contact information and your sign off. For this one, it's just a sincerely, and then it'll ask for your name. Sincerely. Oh, that's so spelled wrong. It'll spell check it for me. My brain's not working so great tonight. And then first and last name. And save. And then what you want to do is preview your cover letter. So you preview it, you can change the design of it. I don't really have anything in mind. So classic changes the design up a little bit. And then you're going to add it to your portfolio and you are done with this assignment. So CWE semester 1 add. Okay, so that is added now to my portfolio or your portfolio when you are done. And that's it. That is building a cover letter.